Cardio doesn't have to be horrible. What is going on, guys? It is Hayward here, the CEO of Coach Hayward. Today we're going to be talking about different ways you can make cardio fun for you. So if your goal is to get about 30 minutes of cardio in per day, but you actually just dread going onto that treadmill, and that's the last thing on earth you want to do is go for a run for 30 minutes, then here's a certain way you can do it. Why don't you just do 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes at night? You see, there's always ways that you can work around it to make your cardio more fun and less horrible. Other ways that you can do it is maybe instead of a 45-minute decent slow-paced fast walk or incline run, another way is skipping. Why don't you try skipping? It doesn't mean cardio doesn't mean you always have to just be running on the treadmill. So skipping is amazing. It's super beneficial. You're just working super hard. So maybe try 30 seconds on, 20-second rest, and then work yourself up. Maybe all the way to 50 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. You're gonna see it's burning your calves and it's burning your calories. So it's great. And another way is rowing machines, etc. See, there's always other ways to get around it, but there's really no excuses to why you can't do it. So if you want to start doing more cardio and you just want to have a healthier lifestyle, feel healthier, feel more energized and stuff like that, then I definitely recommend that you do start adding a little bit of cardio into your life, and those are just a few things that you can do to help. Now, if you do feel like that those are just a little too difficult for you, then why don't you just start out with just walking. Walk every single night for about 15-20 minutes, put a book in or your favorite music, and go for a nice walk in the evening or in the morning. Whatever you do, just try to start being more active and having a more active lifestyle. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today. Those are certain ways that you can make cardio more fun for you and just get it done a lot faster and make it better than it has to be. So, with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you guys next time.